IPTV represents the future of television in a world where the internet dominates and convenience is key. Viewers no longer want to be restricted by traditional broadcast schedules. Instead, they prefer to watch their favorite shows whenever they choose. IPTV delivers content on demand through internet technology, much like OTT streaming, and its growth continues as more people integrate it into their viewing habits. But how exactly does it work? What sets IPTV apart from OTT? And do you need a set-top box to use it? Internet Protocol Television, or IPTV, allows users to access video content via the internet, with popular services including Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, HBO Max, and Peacock TV. Instead of gathering around a traditional TV set, viewers can watch content on computers, laptops, and smartphones. Those who want to watch IPTV on a television have two options: getting a smart TV, which is built for internet streaming, or using a set-top box or dongle, such as Apple TV or Google Chromecast, to convert streaming signals into a TV-compatible format. Setting up an IPTV system at home without a smart TV requires a wireless internet connection, a router, and a streaming device to translate the signals. Tablets and smartphones can also directly access IPTV services. While the user experience is simple, the technology behind IPTV is complex. Broadcasters must store and format video content for streaming, encrypt it to prevent unauthorized access, insert advertisements, and ensure they have enough bandwidth for mass streaming. Hybrid IPTV combines traditional broadcast television with video transmitted over managed IP networks or the public internet. This setup provides more options for consumers, allowing them to access live pay-per-view events and video-on-demand content through a single set-top box. IPTV functions differently from traditional television. Cable TV sends signals directly to a television, while satellite TV transmits signals via space. In both cases, broadcasts occur in real time, and viewers have no control over what's airing unless they record it. IPTV, on the other hand, works similarly to other internet applications like email or web browsing. Content is broken down into packets and transmitted across the internet using packet switching, making IPTV a highly efficient way to deliver video content. Unlike conventional TV, IPTV offers a two-way interaction that gives viewers more control and personalization options. It allows users to watch what they want, when they want, without being bound by a fixed schedule. Live IPTV broadcasts events in real time, much like traditional TV. Pre-recorded content, however, is stored for on-demand streaming. To minimize buffering, video files must be compressed, encrypted, and sometimes include advertisements before being made available. Watching IPTV is similar to browsing a website. A temporary connection is created between a user's device and the IPTV provider's server, which streams data to multiple users at once. However, heavy demand on a server can lead to buffering and delays, which IPTV avoids through IP multicasting, a method that sends packets to multiple users simultaneously. Unlike standard file downloads, IPTV uses real-time protocols like RTP and RTSP to stream content. IPTV differs from OTT primarily in network structure. While OTT content is delivered over the public internet, IPTV providers use controlled networks to ensure service quality, often distributing content from central offices to regional hubs before reaching households. There are three main types of IPTV. The most common is Video on Demand, VOD, where users can watch content anytime, as seen with services like Netflix and Hulu. Live IPTV streams content in real time, typically for news and sports. Time-shifted IPTV, similar to VOD, allows viewers to watch recent broadcasts but with a limited availability window, commonly used for catching up on missed programs. IPTV's rise is driven by several factors. Traditional TV advertising revenue is declining while online content consumption is at an all-time high. As more viewers cut the cord on cable, service providers are adapting to meet new demands. The IPTV industry was valued at around $40 billion in 2019 and is projected to grow at a 7.1% annual rate through 2027. This growth is fueled by increasing subscriber bases, lower service costs, and telecom companies improving their offerings. Hybrid IPTV, inspired by platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, allows cable providers to integrate internet-based content with traditional TV programming. For telecom companies, IPTV provides a way to expand services without increasing infrastructure costs. Ultimately, IPTV makes watching TV more convenient than ever. The industry will continue growing as long as streaming remains accessible and affordable. However, launching an IPTV service is not simple. It requires expertise in encoding, encryption, and content delivery. Platforms like Vimeo enable content creators to build subscription-based streaming services without handling the technical complexities. As IPTV continues to evolve, it is shaping the future of television.